and then I listen back to it, and then check, okay, does that sound good, does that sound stupid, incoherent, ganyan, and critique it. Or if you have a friend that you could pull, have them listen to it and ask them, what do you think of it, and especially if they're very honest in their feedback, that really helps.
Yeah. For me, siguro, preparedness talaga is from practice. Sabi nga niya kanina. Lagi niyo tandaan lahat ng public speakers baliw. Kasi kinakausap namin sa
I used to tell people that when I drive, like I actually prefer it if I'm alone, just because I can just talk to myself.
Diba? I do that
No
a
one can
lot.
judge.
Kapag ka naglalakad ako, diba?
Yeah.
May speech ka na pinag-prepare habang naglalakad ka, pinapractice mo siya. Ano yung flow mo? Pangit pala pag dito ko nilagay yung joke na yun. Diba?
Yes.
Timing is everything, ganyan. But you just need to prepare for it. As I've said kanina, sinabi din nila kanina, no? Preparation is key. Going into that specific speech, wala kang ibang kakapitan doon kundi yung sarili mo. So, might as well as prepare yourself for that specific day as well, for that specific speech as well. And, build a lot of confidence through that. And of course, at the end of the day, tiwala lang sa sarili mo.
Yes.
Kausapin mo sarili mo, tapos sabihin mo nagtitiwala ka sa kanya. And sometimes, you'll be shocked kung gaano ka-negative yung sarili mo about yourself as well. So you just need to face yourself as well. Katulad yung sinasabi nila. So just be prepared. Just be prepared.
Ako siguro just put yourself na parang don't put people in a pedestal. Kasi usually ma-feel mo yung audience mo parang wow, ang bigatin. Pero don't put them in a pedestal. Isipin mo rin na parang they're also gonna learn something. Yun nga, kasi hindi naman alam ng ibang tao lahat eh.
Yes.
So for sure they're gonna get something from you, and yun na lang isipin mo, as unlike na parang ay wow, alam nila lahat, parang baka maliitin nila ako mamaya. So don't think siguro na ganun. I think that's a big help.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah. Self-talk.
Yes.
Lots of good self-talk.
Self-talk.